Welcome back to Realty Solutions, your go-to channel for all things real estate. I'm Umair Haider, and today we're diving into a topic that's close to every landlord's heart: how to deal with bad tenants. Whether you're a seasoned pro with dozens of properties or just starting out with your first rental, dealing with difficult tenants is a challenge you're likely to face at some point. It can be incredibly stressful, time-consuming, and costly. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we're sharing expert tips and strategies to help you manage those tricky tenant situations effectively and keep your real estate business running smoothly. Stay tuned, because we're about to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the often challenging waters of tenant management. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future real estate insights. Prevention is always better than cure, right? That's why our first tip is all about thorough tenant screening. Before you hand over those keys, it's crucial to do your due diligence. We're talking about running credit checks to assess their financial responsibility. After all, you want to make sure they can actually pay the rent on time. Next up, background checks. These can reveal any red flags in their rental history, like evictions or a pattern of property damage. And don't forget to contact their previous landlords for references. A quick conversation can give you invaluable insights into their character and how they treat a property. Remember, taking the time to screen tenants thoroughly is an investment in your peace of mind. It significantly reduces the risk of ending up with a problematic tenant in the first place. Now let's talk about the bedrock of any landlord-tenant relationship, the lease agreement. This document is your Bible, and it needs to be crystal clear, leaving no room for ambiguity. We're talking about outlining all expectations, rules, and consequences in detail. From late rent payment penalties to pet policies, noise restrictions, and property maintenance responsibilities, everything needs to be spelled out in black and white. Don't rely on verbal agreements, put it all down in writing. A well-drafted lease agreement not only protects your interest but also provides clarity for your tenants, setting the stage for a smoother and more harmonious landlord-tenant relationship. Communication is key in any relationship, and the landlord-tenant dynamic is no exception. Maintaining open and respectful communication with your tenants can go a long way in preventing small issues from escalating into major problems. Encourage your tenants to reach out to you if they have any concerns, questions, or maintenance requests. Respond to their inquiries promptly and professionally. Regularly check in with your tenants, even if it's just a quick email or phone call, to see how things are going. This open line of communication fosters trust and transparency, making it more likely that issues will be addressed quickly and amicably. This next tip is all about protecting yourself legally. As a landlord, it's crucial to document everything, and I mean everything. Keep detailed records of all communications with your tenants, whether it's emails, text messages, phone calls, or even in-person conversations. Document all maintenance requests, repairs made, and any incidents or lease violations. Keep copies of all signed documents, including the lease agreement, addendums, and any notices you serve. Having thorough documentation is essential if you ever need to take legal action against a tenant. It provides you with the evidence you need to support your case. Landlord-tenant laws vary from state to state, so it's crucial to be familiar with the specific regulations in your area. Educate yourself on your rights and responsibilities as a landlord, as well as the rights of your tenants. Understand the legal processes involved in handling security deposits, late rent payments, lease violations, and evictions. Knowing your legal rights empowers you to handle situations confidently and fairly, while ensuring you're operating within the bounds of the law. When in doubt, consult with a qualified real estate attorney who can provide legal advice tailored to your specific situation. Consistency is key when it comes to enforcing the terms of your lease agreement. If you let minor violations slide, it can create a slippery slope and make it harder to address more serious issues down the line. Address lease violations promptly and firmly, following the procedures outlined in your lease agreement. Issue written notices for violations, document all communication, and escalate the matter if necessary. Remember, enforcing your lease terms consistently not only protects your property and your other tenants, but also establishes clear boundaries and expectations. Before resorting to legal action, consider mediation as a way to resolve disputes amicably. Mediation involves a neutral third party who facilitates communication and helps both parties reach a mutually agreeable solution. It can be a less adversarial and more cost-effective alternative to going to court. Mediation can be particularly helpful in situations where communication has broken down or emotions are running high. It allows both parties to express their concerns, explore potential solutions, and work towards a compromise. Eviction should always be viewed as a last resort, but sometimes it becomes necessary to protect your property and your investment. If you've exhausted all other options and a tenant continues to violate the lease agreement or engage in behavior that jeopardizes your property or other tenants, eviction may be the only recourse. However, it's crucial to consult with a qualified real estate attorney before initiating any eviction proceedings. Eviction laws are complex and vary significantly by jurisdiction. An attorney can guide you through the process, ensuring you follow the correct procedures and protect your legal rights. Remember, eviction can be a lengthy and costly process, so it's essential to approach it with caution and seek professional legal guidance. There you have it, our top tips for dealing with bad tenants. Remember, being proactive and prepared can save you a lot of headaches down the line. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other landlords who might benefit from these tips. And don't forget to subscribe to Realty Solutions for more expert real estate advice and tips. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.